Probably it's gonna be called the thunderstorm. It's getting cold here. Yeah, let's turn the heat. Guys, pretend this is a heater. Oh, nurse, it's really cold out here. Yeah, we should warn the others that they might catch a cold. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Was that thunder? Yo man, was that thunders outside? Yeah, I think so. We should probably stay here. But it's kind of getting cold. Yeah, same. We should turn the heater. Okay, it's a little bit cold, but that can be warm. Yeah, both of us are like wearing jackets. How's it cold? Okay, let me turn the heater up more. Okay, that may be enough. Okay, I'm just gonna work on this. Okay, let me do the sky and the ground and okay. Strong wind. It's very windy, guys. Oh my goodness, what was that? The wind? That wind is so strong. Oh my goodness, the wind just blew away the, I don't know what, the Kansas. Oh my goodness, it's really cold. I know too much heat is harsh for the skin, but we have to turn it to max. Yeah. Okay, now it's pretty cold here. Let's lower it. That is enough. Okay, let me just continue my sculpting. Oh, excuse me, madam. Madam. Okay. Okay, now we should definitely leave. Yeah, I know. Maybe let's get some snacks from my locker. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's so cold out here. Goodness, it's so cold. The windy wind reached the classroom. Goodness, is that the wind? It's so cold. Oh my goodness. The wind is so strong. It's so cold. Okay, let's turn up the heater. Guys, get in the elevator. Okay, I'm gonna call the teacher. Teacher, get to the locker. Thunderstorms are happening. Okay. She's not even a teacher. Okay. Oh, goodness. It's off. Let me just get my computer. Give me my computer right now. Okay. Let's go to the canteen. They have hot cocos. Wait, there's people in the art class. Don't worry, we'll wait for them. Oh yeah, okay. It turns nighttime on how cloudy it is. Guys, pretend it's not nighttime, it's just cloudy. Oh my goodness, I'm so cold. Yeah, me too. Dang, you have a lot of... Okay, let's take some noodles. Okay, potatoes, these. Oh, that might be not enough, but it's enough for both of us. Okay, maybe they're waiting for us there. So let's just put that there. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna call the principal. Why are they panicking? I'm just gonna get a hot cocoa and these. I'm gonna go to them because maybe there's an emergency. Wait, there's a laptop here. I'm just gonna leave that. Okay. What's happening? Go to the janitors. Okay, no, the janitor that's authority. Where are they? Thunderstorms are happening. We have to go to somewhere safe. Oh no, okay. Get this and that. Okay. Where are we going? Oh, where are they going? Maybe it's something important. Okay, I'm here. Okay. Wait, let's go to. Okay. Let's go to the second floor, guys. I got the key card. Okay, follow me. Okay. Oh, yep, here. Okay. Guys, pretend there's a roof here. Everybody follow her. Okay. Even I don't know what this is. This is a hangout place. Okay. Guys, by the way, Brittany and their other friend, Stephanie, are like in their pajamas, so I'm lazy to Okay, closer. Let me put my bag over there. Maybe. Oh, wait, my mom. I accidentally threw the umbrella in the trash can. We have to get it again. I bet this is gonna take hours to find. Rolling backwards. Found it. Hey, Mom. Goodness, honey. I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness, honey. I'm so sorry for making you to. I'm so sorry for making you to go to school. Okay, pretend the mom didn't call. Okay. Guys, help! I'm about to fall. Brittany? Brittany. OMG. Oh my goodness, Brittany. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys so much for helping me. I was about to fall. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad you're safe. Thank you so much for helping me in Belfast. Oh yeah, by the way, this roleplay credits go to Toka, the queens of roleplay. Okay. Mom, pick me up right now. There's a thunderstorm happening. Yes, honey, I know. I'm gonna pick you up right now. I'm up on your school. Bye, guys. Stay safe. Everybody say stay safe. Bestie, you can come with me. No, I'm okay here. Okay. Her bag is right here. Yup, we're just gonna pretend that this isn't her phone, and this is the phone that she was using the whole time. Goodness, honey. Let's go. Oh, come on. Wait, guys, that's the controller. Mom, why is brother so home early? Oh, about that. Mom, did you let him stay home while I suffer scared? I'm so sorry, honey. Please forgive me. Mom, are you serious? I'm the old. I'm always the one who gets in trouble, even though it's not my fault. And now you let them stay at home while thunderstorm, and you forced me to go to school, even though there's a thunderstorm, and made me walk. And you didn't even drive me at school because I missed the bus. Sorry, honey. Ugh, this is life. Be quiet. The twins are asleep. Wow. You let them have a night's sleep, and while I suffer? What kind of mom are you? Why are you crying? Shut up, Liam. I never understand. Never understand. Never understand. What? Maybe she's the one who doesn't understand. Locked door. Ugh. What kind of mom is she? I missed the bus and I walked to school, even though there was a thunderstorm, and she didn't even drive me to school. What kind of mom does she think she is? The best mom ever? If she's the best mom ever, she should have driven me home. Let me just get my pajamas. Oh my goodness. Look, the worst day ever. Look, I'm just gonna be on my phone and stay up the whole night. Wait, where's our phone? Oh, God. Open this door. Mom, get out. Look, I just want to apologize. Next time, I'm gonna drive you to school. If there's a thunderstorm or it's raining and you missed it. Oh yeah? When will that be? When there will be another thunderstorm or it's raining? Huh? Are you Superman? Are you God? You can make it rain or something? Bye guys, that's the end of the roleplay. I hope you guys liked this roleplay. And I love you guys so much. Please make us reach 200 subscribers. Bye! Oh, excuse me. Bye. Bye.